Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a step-by-step video of painting a hanging lamp in Tanjore style for a blouse sleeve. Come on friends, let us get into the video. Firstly, as you can see, I have marked the sleeve for the blouse. Then I keep my blouse fabric on a frame. Gently pull and stretch the fabric by pulling the fabric outside the frame. Then secure the fabric by tightening the frame. You can see I have folded the loose end of the fabrics and I pinned it using clips. I do this to prevent any disturbances because of the long fabric. Now I take my outline sketch and I fold to mark the center of the design. Then I place the outline sketch on the center of the blouse sleeve where I need to paint. Then secure the outline sketch from moving using a tape. Now I carefully start tracing the design onto my sleeve using a white carbon sheet. Make note to align the center of the fabric and center of the outline design on a same line. After I finish tracing, before removing the carbon sheet, I always check whether I have completely traced down all the details to the fabric. You can see here I have missed some details in the peacock's head. So I trace back the details. Then I check again and I remove the outline sketch and the carbon sheet. Here I have used pearl metallic gold color to paint the lamp. There is no need to alter the consistency of the pearl metallic colors. You can directly apply the colors without using water. This is because when you mix water with the pearl metallic color, the paint looks more transparent. This acts as the base layer for 3D outliner work. I don't prefer directly using a 3D outliner. So I always make a base layer using metallic gold and then I do work with my 3D outliner. You can see I have left minute gap between segments while painting. These minute gaps help me to identify the outlines and borders after I complete my work. Here I use white acrylic color to make a base layer to paint the flames. Make this white base layer opaque and not transparent. I now use lemon yellow to show the lighter shades of flames. Now I have used chrome yellow to show the darker shades of flame. I leave some white areas as such to show the brightness of the flame. I use orange color to show the actual place of fire. Never leave any of these colors as such. Always blend in the lighter and the darker shade of colors. You can see after blending the orange color in the middle, I make little prominent orange lines in the center to show the actual place of fire. Recently I bought this bottle. It has a very narrow and fine nozzle, so I can use it for very fine 3D outliner work. I have shared the link for this bottle in the description. If you want, you can make use of it. If you don't want this bottle, you can always make a cone and use it for very fine outliner works. At the end of this painting, I have made a little video on this bottle. You can look at it for further clarifications. If you like this video, do like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. Share me your views on this video in the comment section. You can add any suggestions for me also in the comment sections. I have dropped my pasting stone, so I have used a nail picker to pick it up carefully. If you are new, kindly do support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. These are half pasting stones available in the shops where you can get tailoring and embroidery materials. I always prefer back of a toothpick to pick and paste the stones. After completing the outliner work, leave the painting undisturbed for a day to completely dry. After the painting completely dries, you can add some black outlines. See, this is the normal Fevicryl 3D outliner which we can get from the shops. You can screw and remove the cap from the outliner bottle. Always close the nozzle when the outliner bottle is not in use. This is the pack of empty bottles I got with fine and sharp nozzles. Comes with the inbuilt separate cap for the nozzle. If you pull, you can remove the nozzle separately from the bottle. Because of this, you can adjust the length of the nozzle based on your comfort. See, in this bottle also, you can screw and remove the lid separately. You can either fill the empty bottle with outliner and then you can use it for the painting, or just replace the lid of the outliner bottle with fine tipped nozzle and do the painting. But I prefer the second one because I can reduce the wastage of my outliner. Here you can compare the thickness of the line from two different nozzles. You can see the second line will be much thinner than the first one. Thank you for watching the complete video.